This is the kind of day that I'm having right now. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Good freaking morning, guys. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Daily Bread. I told you guys yesterday, we were having a rough day. Today, we're starting it off good. We're starting off with some high energy. I'm sitting here in the drive-thru at the Chick-fil-A. We got a lot of stuff going on today. It's a great day. The weather's not the best, but we're gonna make the best. It's Monday. Monday's a new work week, a new week of opportunities, and I'm super excited to take advantage of it. Now we got some stuff we need to look over on the truck. My battery cables keep coming off for some reason because I was messing around with some lights the other day and I think I've messed some stuff up. I need to get my oil changed. I need to go by the upholstery shop, the tint shop. We have a lot of stuff to do today. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a great day, great video. I hope you guys are excited. But first, we gotta start it off with some Chick-fil-A because I am nothing in the morning unless I can have my sweet tea and my chicken minis. So yeah, the important things in life. Make sure you take care of those first.
Hello, you got a 4-count menu with a hash brown and a large sweet tea?
Yeah. Thank you.
How are you?
Trying to wake up. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa.
I don't know what's wrong with my subs. They quit fucking working.
Subs don't work?
No work.
I'm surprised mine still work after messing with those wires so much yesterday. I gotta check the battery cables today because my battery cables kept coming off yesterday. I'm gonna insert that clip right here so you guys can see that. This is the kind of day that I'm having right now. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Absolutely great day I'm having right now. Great. So me messing around with my my cables yesterday, my cable has actually come off and the sub wire has actually come off as well. So let me just tell y'all that's how my day's going right now. That was me sitting in the liquor store parking lot, actually. Liquor store parking lot, messing with the battery cables because my truck would not start. So today's mission is to fix the battery cables. I don't know if they're coming loose because I was messing with the wires yesterday or what the deal was, but yeah, I'm not going home until I figure that out. Also this week, I gotta get oil change. I need to do oil change and I need to flip and rotate some of my tires this week. So we got a lot of great content coming this week. You guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Stop being lame. Hit the subscribe button. We post every single day. Listen to that. Y'all wanna hear that? Y'all wanna hear that on a daily basis? Hit the damn subscribe button. Yeah, Bean's not here today. So I think I've figured out my issue. When I was messing around with the battery cables yesterday, terminal's got a little clamp that goes around it. You tighten it and it tightens onto the terminal. Having that extra wire, that extra C under the screw, under the bolt, was not allowing it to tighten as much as it needed. So I cleaned it up a little bit and got it tightened down, so we should be good, hopefully. But needless to say, Alex is not doing any more wiring for the foreseeable future because wiring is not my strong point. So McTuning, I love you guys so much, but it's gonna be a little bit until I can get those installed because I'm gonna have somebody else do it, somebody that's not gonna mess it up like me, because wiring is not my thing. Definitely not my thing. I can do all kinds of, you know, body work and different, you know, cosmetical things, cosmetic, whatever the hell you want to say. But wiring, definitely not my thing. Oh. Alright, hopefully we got that figured out. Subs work, LEDs on the front work. Later on this week we'll get the oil change, get the tires flipped and rotated, and be good to go. Hello. Good, how are you? I promise I didn't do it.
What?
I didn't do it. What? I know you can. Don't beat me up. Come on. Don't beat me up. Look at the signs outside. Oh, look at the signs. My Clunnies work. What's up? How's it going?
All right, how you doing?
Pretty good. We are definitely making our rounds today. If you guys are local to the Marietta, Atlanta area in general, and you need some upholstery work, come and see Alex at Mags Upholstery. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. So I pulled up to the tent. Here, look, my truck's kind of dirty. Don't laugh at my truck, but it's kind of dirty in there. But that's 5%.
Ooh, I can imagine that a nice one.
Yeah. I'm telling you, mind your own business. I can't see them, they can't see me. It's great.
And you just got 5 on the window?
It's 5 on the sides and then 5 over 20 on the back. I need to get this cleaned. I had some paint on here the other day, but
Yeah, that's like...
during the day it's not bad. It's really not bad.
At night though, that shit sucks, bro.
It does kind of suck.
It really
to be honest. It's not the best thing in the world,
But
but
since you have such great vision, and it's not dangerous because it's that white bow tie driving, you know, professional on the streets, it's all good.
hey, I learned once you learn how to drive. You learn how to drive with the bid. Let's go check out. I want to check out the van while we're here. Let's go. I haven't really looked. My guy said he's gonna subscribe to the channel, so I gotta give him. You got a shop or anything here?
It's in, it's on Uncle Brad.
You got a business card or anything? I'll put you on the.
No.
Okay, all right. We got a. So my man just got. What'd you do? 35.
So let me ask you this.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So we did 15. We did 15% on the windshield. Why I'm walking around with this, I don't know.
Let me know where you want to get that installed so I can get them all cut out.
With the white interior, my man's about to redo this whole van. That thing's gonna be clean. Y'all need to stay tuned. I'm gonna get this one back on the channel. Back when he gets it finished. That's that dark. Like you can't see in that. Oh, that's what I need on my truck. And then we got this. What is that? V8 bi-turbo. We got the AMG sitting over here. Clean. All blacked out. Black with a little bit of chrome. With the silver calipers. I like that. That looks good. Hell yeah. I would drive the hell out of this thing. I wonder if it's... Oh, it's got the wrap door handles. Ooh, black on black. A little bit of wood. And that thing's clean.
White t-shirt's gone. I can barely see it.
Can't even see him in there. 15 on the windshield. That's somebody important in there. Yes, sir.
I'm like waving, but I'm like, can't even see him going back.
You know what's funny? I drive around all the time and people wave at me and I wave back in my truck like I know they can see me.
Yeah.
Like they can't fucking see me and I'm waving back.
They waving back.
I probably seem like such a dick to people all the time, not waving back.
Or you can just do this.
Just, yeah, and they won't see.
Damn.
What's up? I got Merc of NSB on the phone. Look, we have been on the phone for 57 minutes. If that doesn't show our dedication to our craft, nothing in the world will ever do that. Literally, we've been on the phone for an hour talking about Instagram and YouTube and just all kinds of stuff. Say what's up, Merc.
What's going on, Pete?
Merc has a giveaway going on currently right now, so if you're seeing this video, he has giveaways going on right now, so make sure you go check out his page, get involved in the giveaways. He's got 6 awesome companies involved in this giveaway, so make sure you guys go stay up to date with that. Follow him, Merc of NSB and Never Satisfied Builds. Make sure y'all go do that. I hope y'all enjoyed the content today. Good vibes, bringing the good vibes back to the channel. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me on this 365-day journey. We are vlogging for 365 days straight. I will pick the winner of the giveaway. I forgot to do that. So let's do that now. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm keeping the good vibes on the channel. I'm gonna pick the winner of the giveaway tomorrow, so y'all need to make sure to watch tomorrow's video. Thank you guys for stopping back by the channel. I will see you guys next time. As always, let's get this bread.